Hello everyone, this is Amber with Story Chasing, and this is now Workshop Wednesdays. So today I'm going to tell you 6 ways you can make money by starting an online business so you can travel full-time and be location independent. If you watched the first episode of season 2, my van tour, I announced that this season I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently. I'm still going to be sharing my traveling, but I'm also going to start teaching, which is now what I'm calling Workshop Wednesdays. So the teaching aspect of it are things that you guys have been asking for, like, how do you make money online, things about my RV or my new van, and just in particular, like, how do you do certain things in this particular lifestyle? So Workshop Wednesdays will be dedicated to answering all of these questions for you. This is very new to me and to you guys, so I hope you enjoy it, and I would love your feedback in the comments as I continue to do these Workshop Wednesdays. If you're like me, I was at a crossroads in my life where I just knew that there had to be more to life than working 60 to 80 hours a week at my job and feeling like something was just missing in my life. That's one of the reasons I sold everything last year and bought an RV, or decided to move into this full-time life of travel so that I could create more stories and moments in my life. So unless you're retired and you want to travel full-time, you're probably going to need an income. So I'm going to show you 6 ways that you can make money online, and I'm also going to share with you my real life story on how I make money online, and then open up my books and show you what my income was like for this last month. It's a very vulnerable moment for me to share my income with you guys. It's not something that I typically do. My family knows this about me. I don't typically share my income or my expenses with people. So make sure you stay until the end of the show where I show you my income report, and I'm going to talk to you about a huge change and a surprise. Okay, so let's get started and let's talk about 2 different types of income that there are. One is called active income, and there is another one called passive income. And some of you may already know what these 2 types of income are, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about them in detail and how it applies to the 6 different ways that I'm going to show you how to make money online. So when I think about active income is income generated where you have to complete multiple actions every single time you want to get a profit or to have income. So for example, if you're selling products on eBay, you have to find the product to put on eBay, you have to list the product, someone has to purchase the product, and then you ship the product, and then you actually get paid for it. In order to receive more income like that, you must complete those same actions again and then repeat it in order to keep getting paid. Another example of active income is consulting. You only earn money when you work with a client, so you're doing an exchange of time for money, somewhat similar to a job. And by the way, guys, if you are hearing seagulls in the background, it's because I'm close to a boatyard and Puget Sound, so I apologize, I cannot do anything about the birds. All right, so that was active income. Let's talk about passive income now. Passive income is my favorite because you really only have to complete one action and then you continue to get paid for it time and time again. So for example, if you wrote a blog post, you would write the post, edit it, publish it, then you would monetize it with advertising. So as long as you have that blog post live and you have it monetized, you're getting continually paid for it without you having to really do anything with it. So you may have to tweak that blog post in the future, or you may want to market that in a little bit of a different way, but you're not actually recreating that particular blog post and doing anything necessarily with it in order to continue to get paid. Now, it can take a while to build up passive income. It's definitely not a get-rich-quick money-making income, but if you're in it for the long haul, creating sources of passive income can be your gateway to making money online and funding your full-time traveling. So now I'm going to share with you 6 of the most popular ways you can create passive income and active income. There are 4 types of active income that I'm going to talk to you about. So one is you can sell on eBay, like my example earlier. So this is great if you're starting out and you want to fund your travel lifestyle. You can start selling on eBay, make money, save that money, and then wait till you have enough money saved up so that you can go into a full-time travel lifestyle. However, you're still going to need money, most likely, while you're actually traveling. So the great thing about eBay is that you can sell from anywhere, but you're also going to have to store that product. It's most likely not going to be a digital product, so you would have to store that product somewhere while you're traveling, which means you might have to have a bigger RV, or you might have to tow a cargo trailer, something like that. So those are the things that you might have to think about if you want to sell on eBay. The second one is selling on Etsy. Somewhat similar to eBay, you might have to have a place for storage to hold all of the products while you're traveling. This one's a little bit different in that you don't try to find products to sell like you do on eBay. This one is actually a place for creators to go and sell the products that they've actually created. So that might be something great for you. Maybe if you're a photographer or an artist, or there's all different kinds of things that you can sell on there, and totally empower you to go look at Etsy and see what people are doing so that you can maybe get some ideas on what you can do as well. The third type of active income that you can generate while you are traveling is selling on Amazon. So Amazon allows you to sell your own products on there, or even like if you write an ebook or have other digital types of products. Most of the products that you see on Amazon though are physical products, and you might have the other two scenarios like eBay and Etsy where you have to pull a cargo trailer in order to store your items to ship. Or it depends on what type of product you have and what your relationship is with Amazon, but Amazon also does fulfillment. So it could be one of those things where you actually source the product, have it shipped to Amazon, and then Amazon sends it out for you. So that's just another option. And people all over the world are making use of Amazon as a way to make money online and not actually have a physical product on them. So the fourth type of active income is consulting and coaching. Now I've lumped these two together because they're very similar. With consulting and coaching, you're typically going out and finding a client and sharing with them your expertise, knowledge, or performing an action for them so that you can provide a solution for your client. All right, so now we're going to talk about the last two types of income that you can make online, and this is a form of passive income. Now remember, passive income is one action equals residual income. So this is my favorite because who doesn't like to work once and get paid continually? These two types of passive income are through websites, blogs, and YouTube. And websites and blogs is one, YouTube is second. They're both very, very similar with one exception, and that is how you monetize YouTube. And I'll talk about that one in just a minute. With websites, blogging, and YouTube, what you want to do is you want to think about what you're passionate about or what you're really skilled at and what you can teach people. So people are all the time going out to the internet to look for solutions. And so if you think about that, what can you help a person with when they're looking for solutions? What do your friends continually come to you about and ask you to help them with, or to teach them, or even pay you money for on the side so that you can help them with something? So if you think about that and what kind of a solution you can provide to people, that will help you to think about what you can provide to your audience. With websites, blogging, and YouTube, when you figured out what that is that you want to actually teach people or provide solutions to, and by the way, there are some YouTube creators out there that just purely do entertainment. They're not necessarily teaching anything or providing a solution. I feel like that's a very, very small a part of what YouTube is about. But if that's something that you feel like you can do, by all means, go for it. My own example of this is starting the Story Chasing website and the YouTube channel. And I was simply just documenting my travels, and then my viewers actually started asking me questions about how do you do specific things, like what gear do I use to film? How do I make money online? How do I dump my cassette toilet? They wanted to see the van tour. There's all different types of questions that I get, whether it's on YouTube, my website, comment sections on YouTube and my blog. I also get them on Instagram and Facebook. So I've collected all of these questions and I put them in a little book so that I can remember what everybody is asking for. And eventually that will be a video that I make in the future. And this is one of the reasons why I came up with Workshop Wednesdays. I have my little binder and I'm putting together all of your questions and creating content for that. So it's pretty simple. Once you actually get out there and start making videos or creating content, your viewers will start to tell you what it is they're looking for. Okay, so now that you know the 6 areas where you can make money online, how exactly do you make money through those? So let's talk about that. For websites and blogs, you can actually make income through Amazon affiliates. So for example, if you love a certain product and you blog about it or mention it, you can provide an affiliate link to your viewers. If they purchase something on Amazon, you will get a small commission for that at no additional cost to the consumer. That's Amazon's way of saying, thanks for sending that person to Amazon to actually purchase from us. So that's why they call it an affiliate program. Another way is just affiliate advertising. So you would want to find companies that actually have affiliate programs. So if you think about your favorite products that you use or services that you use and things that you would want to share with your viewers, then you can contact those companies. You can actually ask them if they have an affiliate program. Sometimes it's at the bottom of their page on their website, or there's actually companies that you can go to that are like brokers for these affiliates. You sign up with them. So they have a ton of affiliates in one area where you can apply to be an affiliate with that particular company all through this one website. So that's a little bit more detailed than we want to get into right now, but suffice to say, you can go out and be an affiliate for other companies besides Amazon. Another way is ad revenue like Google AdSense or Mediavine. So with these two types of ads, they have targeted ads that are placed on your blog or your website and also YouTube. And you get paid a small percentage of that ad revenue, and it takes time to build that up. Now, the only thing is that you can't put Mediavine on YouTube. The only monetization that you can do currently on YouTube is through Google AdSense. With ads like this, it does take time to build up your income. So again, if you're in this for the long haul and then you just stay steady and keep writing or keep making videos, your income is going to continue to go up as long as you have viewers and subscribers who are coming to your website and your YouTube channel. You will see that income rise, but it's just going to take a while. Another area where you can make money on your websites or blogs or even your YouTube channel is by creating your own products. So especially digital products is a great resource for making money online. This can be in the form of ebooks or online courses, your photography. I mean, there's so many different ways that you can have your own product. Just depends on obviously what your skills and talents are and what you want to actually go out there and sell. But having your own product is, in my opinion, a really great way to go because you can control it a little bit more than you can any of like the affiliate marketing or sponsors or things like that. So actually sponsors is our next form of income that you can make. As you become an influencer in your niche, you become more valuable to sponsors who see you as a resource to help promote their products and services. My own personal philosophy though, and I mentioned a little bit earlier, is to make sure that you work with sponsors for products and services that you really, really love and therefore feel like they would be valuable to your viewers. So as you can see, there are many different ways that you can make money online with passive or active income and travel full-time. So it just depends on you and what actually you think best suits you and also your travel lifestyle. All right, so are you ready for the big surprise and the change? I've taken a very huge leap and I have left my six-figure-a-year income job in order to pursue my own business full-time. This has been a long time coming, and I knew the only way that I was able to actually pursue my own company and the things that I was doing in my own business was to leave the job that I was at because I was working 60 to 80 hours a week. And at the end of the day, I felt like I had nothing left to give to this channel and to my blog and to you all. So I'll be honest, I was very nervous and scared to take this leap. It's a huge leap for me. I've never left a job like that, and I just knew though that if I didn't do it, I would always regret it. And so at this point, I feel like at least I'm going to try, and if it fails for whatever reason, then I can go get another job. That said, if you saw my video about overcoming fears, you might know the quote that I gave on there. On the other side of fear is your greatest success. And that's what enabled me to take this leap. is to live without regrets. If I fail, well, I'll just get another job, but at least I tried. So I feel like the best way to show you how I make money online is to be the example and the story myself. So I'm going to take you on a little ride with me each month, no pun intended, or maybe it was. I'm going to be completely vulnerable and share with you my income every single month in a very detailed way. So why would I do that? Why would I share my money with you and what I make on a monthly basis? As I said earlier, I'm a pretty private person when it comes to talking about money, but this is why. One, so I can see the growth for myself and see how the changes are happening every single month. And it kind of holds me a little bit accountable and actually is a motivator for me when I know that you guys are all watching. And two, so you guys can all see what I'm doing every single month so that you have an understanding of how this process works and that you can also do it for yourself. All right, so let's get into the income report. So July was the first month after quitting my job, so this will be the first full month of an income report. So I have the website storychasing.com, and I also have this YouTube channel, which, by the way, if you like what you're seeing, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I upload videos. So the first income that we're going to talk about is passive income. I make affiliate income from two different sources. So the first one is Amazon. In the month of July, it was $80.22. And then the second affiliate income is with Shareasell.com, and that was $18.55. Shareasell is one of those companies I was telling you about that houses a lot of different companies within their website where you can sign up to be an affiliate and get access to all of these different vendors that you can work with. The second type of passive income that I earned in July was through advertising. That earned me $212.11. The third way I earned passive income in July was through an ebook that I sell, and that was $19.98. Now, this isn't a lot of income for an ebook. It's a book that I wrote about 5 years ago, and it's for healing rosacea naturally. And back then it was making anywhere between $200 to $400 a month. But then I started this job and I just couldn't market it anymore like I wanted to. So my total passive income for July was $330.96. So mind you, I did start my blog and my YouTube channel a year ago. I do have about 40 videos up at the time that I made this income. But I didn't really start editing a lot of my videos until January of this year. I had a few videos up over the last year. I actually didn't get monetized until the end of June from YouTube. With their new policy that they have of you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I qualified for that in the beginning of May of this year, but they didn't approve my application until the end of June. The passive income is an increase over June by approximately 112%, which is mostly due to the YouTube monetization that happened at the end of June. I probably won't see as high of a percentage month over month next month just because it'll even out a little bit more with the monetization. Another way that I made income is actually with active income, and that was through consulting and coaching. And that earned me $3,705. Which also most likely will go down in the future because most of this revenue came from me consulting with my prior employer in order to help ease the transition of me leaving the job. So in total, I made $4,036.96 for July. My bottom line goal is to increase my passive income month over month by approximately 16.5%. And I definitely hit that goal this month. So it's just something that I need to continue to hit so I don't have to keep dipping into my savings as time goes on. And if you want to see a more detailed review of my income report, my goals, my achievements, my fails, then go ahead and head over to my blog. So let me know in the comments below. Are you still saving for travel and you want to know more about earning money? Are you looking to travel full-time and make a living strictly with an online business? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear where you guys are at and actually what you're looking for in making money online. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and share. And I'll see you in the Sunday video. Bye everyone.